Welcome to Clearview. My name's Robin. At Clearview, we pride ourselves on delivering a seamless end-to-end service that combines glazing, window manufacturing and installation all under one roof. Whether you need windows in your home or a large commercial project, Clearview is equipped to handle it all. From start to finish, we ensure every product meets the highest standard of quality, safety and performance. Whether it's for a domestic project or a large-scale commercial installation, Clearview is committed to delivering the best. Thank you for visiting and we look forward to working with you.